What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos channel. Appreciate you guys joining me. As always, if you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Now, Cardano has been doing a great job outpacing the market lately. Now, that doesn't necessarily pertain to the price, right? The price of everything has been down as of late. But while the price is depressed at these current times, these are the times where, companies, ecosystems can expand their footprint further. They can start to prepare for the future. And Cardano, I would argue, has been doing that better than most other cryptos or chains in the space. And I want to tell you guys why. So we just got word over the past few weeks or past week of all the developments that Cardano has been going through and some impending launches that are coming. So we obviously knew about one side chain that was going to be coming for Cardano in Hydra, but there's another one that has been in development for quite some time called Midnight. Now, this is a privacy side chain. It's all about security, right? And when you look at adoption as far as companies go, protecting private data, transactions, stuff like that, these are the kind of solutions that these companies look for. So this is obviously a huge announcement happening for Cardano. So not only that, but there's also the Dust token, which will be associated with this as well. Now, we don't know much about this token yet, but I'm sure that information will come very, very soon. Now, there's still more beyond that, right? We know that Cardano has been working on its own stablecoin for a while. So the algorithmic stablecoin JED, right, DJED, is supposed to be launching in January of 2023. So that is very quickly approaching. Apologize if I'm running through this fast. There's so much that's been coming out for Cardano. I feel like I want to make sure I touch it all in this video. So not only that, they announced a regulatory compliant stablecoin as well from the commercial sector of Cardano called USDA. Now, this is the first fiat-backed stablecoin that is going to be on Cardano, the chain. This is huge, okay? Because right now there's not a lot of, not a lot of chains that have their own fiat-backed stablecoin. Yes, they'll use assets and stuff like that, but this basically guarantees a one-to-one ratio, an off-ramp, and basically all the regulatory compliance that may be needed for the future. So this is obviously very cool to see. Cardano, like I said, has just been absolutely crushing it, and there's going to be more announcements to come. Charles Hoskinson, who is the founder of Cardano and IOG, has been doing a great job in the space lately, and things are looking very positive for Cardano for the future to come. That's all I really got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Appreciate you guys stopping in, joining me in the video. If you haven't already, again, make sure you smash that like button too. And I really hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys.